Welcome to Recarnation. Recarnation is a used automobile dealer specializing in premium, hand-selected vehicles, motorcycles and more. Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Ford Edge Limited. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 123,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for looking today, and please feel free to call us with any questions you may have.